Good morning, students. Today we will solve this problem. See the problem. Pass necessary journal entries for the issue and redemption of debentures in the following cases. Two cases are given here. For each case, we have to pass the entries for issue and redemption of debentures. First, 15,000 10% debentures of ₹100 each issued at 10% premium, which are repayable at par. Second condition, 60,000 12% debentures of ₹100 each issued at 5% premium, repayable at 10% premium. Okay, so first we will pass journal entries for first case for issue and redemption of debentures, and then we will pass the entries for second case. So let's start now. So here now we will start passing journal entries. Case first. First case is 15,000 10% debentures of ₹100 each issued at 10% premium and repayable at par. They told us to pass the journal entries for the issue and redemption of debentures. Okay. So for issue of debentures, first two entries will be for issue of debentures. 15,000 10% debentures are there. The face value is ₹100 each and they are issued at 10% premium. It means 15,000 debentures into ₹100, that is 15 lakhs, and 10% means 1,50,000 premium. So total amount received by the company will be 16,50,000. Understood? Or 15,000 debentures into 100 plus 10 rupees premium, 110. 15,000 into 110 is equal to 16,50,000. तुम्ही दोन प्रकारे सॉल्व करू शकता. आयदर तुम्ही डिबेंचर पर डिबेंचर जी प्राइस आहे त्याच्यावर प्रीमियम ॲड करून मल्टिप्लिकेशन करू शकता. और 15,000 इंटू 100, ओरिजिनल अमाउंट इज 15 lakhs प्लस 10% on 15 lakhs is 1,50,000. So total amount is 16,50,000. So first entry will be amount received into the bank. So first entry, bank account debit 16,50,000 to 10% debentures application and allotment account 16,50,000. Narration will be application money received on 10,000 10% debentures at ₹110 each or at 10% premium. This will be the narration of application money received. Okay, now entry of application money adjusted, that is actual issue of these debentures at premium, repayable at par. Okay, so 10% debenture application and allotment account debit debit 16,50,000 to 10% debentures account. The original amount, that is 15 lakhs, and to security premium reserve account. ₹1,50,000, that is 10% of 15 lakhs, which is premium. Okay, so application money transferred, or you can say application money adjusted, or issue of 15,000 10% debentures at premium repayable at par. Any narration is possible. These are the two entries for issue of debentures. Now next entries will be before redemption of debentures for creating DRR, purchasing investment, etc. So now before redemption entries, I am showing these just for your information. Before redemption, first they told us that these debentures are repayable at par. Dates are not given here. Before the redemption of debentures begins, they will transfer 25% amount to the debenture redemption reserve from statement of profit and loss. So first entry will be statement of profit and loss account debit. To DRR account, that is debenture redemption reserve account, and the amount will be 25% of 15 lakhs. Okay, so 25% of 15 lakhs will be 3,75,000. So 3,75,000 will be transferred to DRR, that is DRR is created worth rupees 3,75,000. This is the narration. Then they will pass the entry of investment purchase, that is amount invested, 15% amount invested in government securities. Okay, so let's pass this entry, that is debenture redemption investment account debit to bank account. Now here they will invest 15% of 15 lakhs into investment, so it will be 2,25,000. Fifteen percent of nominal value of redeemable debentures is invested into government securities. This will be the narration. Now, at the date of redemption of debentures, on the day of redemption of debentures, first entry will be of these investment will be encashed, or this investment will be sold. Okay, so next entry will be bank account debit to debenture redemption investment account. This is the short form, debenture redemption investment account. And narration, investment encashed, and the amount is 2,25,000 because otherwise any information is not given in the problem. Entry of investment encashed. And now the entries of redemption. redemption entries, actual redemption of debentures. First we will pass the entry, that is amount due to debenture holders. Amount is due to debenture holders at par because they told us that these debentures are issued at premium but repayable at par. So the entry of amount due to debenture holder will be 10% debentures account debit to debenture holders account. Debenture holders account, and the amount will be 15 lakhs because the amount is payable, that is the debentures are redeemable at par, that is at face value. Okay, so amount due to debenture holders, this will be the narration. Now entry of payment, so they will pay actually the amount to the debenture holders. So debenture holders account debit 15 lakhs to bank account 15 lakhs. Amount paid to debenture holders, or you can say payment made to debenture holders, or you can say debentures redeemed or repayment made to debenture holders, etc., anything. Okay, and now the amount in DRR, that is 3,75,000 DRR created, will be transferred to general reserve. So last entry will be DRR account debit to general reserve account. 3,75,000 will be transferred to general reserve. This will be the narration. So we have completed entries in first case of this problem, that is 15,000, 10% debentures of ₹100 is issued at 10% premium and repayable at par. These two entries are of issue of debentures. Before debentures they have to create DRR and purchase investment. On the date of redemption they will sell the investment, that is encash the investment, and these are the actual entries of redemption of debentures. Okay, now we will pass the journal entries in second case. This is the journal case second. Okay, this is the case second. 60,000, 12% debentures of ₹100 each, original amount is ₹100 face value, issued at 5% premium and repayable at 10% premium. 60,000 into 100 is 60 lakhs, and 5% of 60 lakhs will be 3 lakhs. So these debentures were issued at 3 lakhs rupees premium, and they are repayable at 10% premium. 10% of 60 lakhs is 6 lakhs. Understood? So premium payable on redemption is 6 lakhs and they were issued at premium of rupees 3 lakhs. This is the meaning of this sentence. Now we will pass the journal entries just like case 1. First we will pass the journal entries about issue of debentures. For issue of debentures, these debentures are 12% debentures. First entry will be of amount received, as these debentures were issued at 5% premium, they will receive the amount 60,000 original face value plus 60 lakhs original face value amount plus 3 lakhs premium. Okay, so total the company will receive 63 lakhs. So first entry will be bank account debit to 12% debentures application and allotment account 63 lakhs application money received on 60,000 12% debentures at 5% premium. This is the narration. Now the second entry, these debentures are issued at 5% premium and redeemable at 10% premium. So 10% premium, that is rupees 6 lakhs, will be the loss which will be transferred to loss on issue of debentures account. Okay, so the entry will be 12% debentures application and allotment account debit 63 lakhs, loss on issue of debentures account debit this is the premium repayable at the time of redemption, which will be 10% of 60 lakhs, so it will be 6 lakhs. Okay, to 12% debentures account 60 lakhs, that is face value 60,000 debentures into the face value 100. Now to security premium reserve, security premium reserve is 3 lakhs because these debentures are issued at 3 lakhs rupees premium. Okay, and to premium on redemption of debentures, this premium payable will be 6 lakhs, which is debited to loss on issue of debentures account. So narration, issue of 12% debentures at 5% premium and redeemable at 10% premium. This will be the narration of this entry. So these two entries are of issue of debentures. These entries will be passed at the time of issue of debentures, on the date of issue of debentures. Okay, now before redemption, just like the first case, before redemption entries will be creating DRR and purchasing debenture redemption investment. So before redemption, मी हे तुमच्यासाठी लिहिते आहे बिकॉज डेट्स दिलेले असतील त्यावेळी डेट्स कोणत्या द्यायच्या हे तुम्हाला कळायला पाहिजे, म्हणून फर्स्ट टू एंट्रीज विल बी हॅविंग डेट्स ऑफ ऑन द डेट ऑन विच द debentures were issued. Before redemption means if the debentures are redeemable on 31st March 2018, then before redemption, that is on 31st March 2017, the DRR will be created and on 30th April the investment will be purchased. Then after 30th April, that is after 11 months, on 31st March 2018, the investment will be encashed and redemption will be done. Okay, in this way you have to write the dates in the problem if dates are given in the problem. Before redemption, they will transfer 25% amount to DRR. So statement of profit and loss, debit to DRR account. Face value original amount is 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs into 25%, which will be 15 lakhs. So DRR will be created of 15 lakhs. So narration will be 25% of detailed narration I am writing. 25% of nominal value of redeemable debentures were transferred to DRR, obviously according to the rule of Companies Act. Okay, so 15 lakhs were transferred to DRR here. Now they have to purchase investment, that is they have to invest 15% amount into investment. 15% of 60 lakhs, that will be 9 lakhs. So this entry will be of investment purchased. Debenture redemption investment account debit, 9 lakhs. To bank account, 9 lakhs. As per rule, 15% of nominal value of redeemable debentures invested, or investment purchase of 15% of nominal value of redeemable debentures, असंही लिहू शकता तुम्ही. 15% of nominal value of redeemable debentures invested in government securities. This entry will be passed, that is the investment will be made on or before 30th April. 1st एप्रिलला इयर चालू होईल, 30th एप्रिलपर्यंत ही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केली जाईल. अँड ऑन 31st March, आफ्टर 11 months, the redemption will be done, and before redemption they will sell the investment, that is encash this investment. Okay, so now the entry of encashment of investment, just the opposite entry of this entry, bank account debit, 9 lakhs to debenture redemption investment account, 9 lakhs. Narration will be investment encashed, okay. And now on redemption of debentures, so entries of redemption, these entries will be on the date of redemption. Okay, so first they have to show the amount due to debenture holders, and in this case these debentures are repayable at 10% premium. So entry will be 12% debentures account, 12% debentures account debit the original amount, that is 60 lakhs. Now premium on redemption of debentures account, debit 6 lakhs. So total amount payable to debenture holders, 66 lakhs. Understood? So narration will be paying amount due to debenture holders. In last case, those debentures were repayable at par. So the entry was debentures account debit to debenture holders account. In this entry, these debentures are repayable at premium. So this entry has been passed. Okay. Now entry of actual payment. So debenture holders account debit to bank account. ₹66 lakhs paid to the debenture holders. So the entry will be amount paid to debenture holders. On redemption. And after this payment, the last entry will be of transferring the DRR to general reserve account. So the entry will be DRR account debit 15 lakhs. We have created DRR of rupees 15 lakhs. It will be transferred to general reserve account. And narration will be amount of DRR or in DRR transferred to general reserve account. This will be the last entry, general reserve account on redemption. Obviously this will be the last entry of this case. In this way, in this problem also there will be two entries for issue of debentures. Then before redemption, two entries will be there. Then on the date of redemption they will sell the investment, and redemption entries will be amount due to debenture holders, amount paid to debenture holders, and DRR will be transferred to general reserve account. Okay, so in this way you have to pass the journal entries accordingly in this problem. Solve this problem in your notebook. Okay.